The drug addict or user generally acquires the drug habit because of being A. Powerless and less self-control, B. Emotionally unstable, C. Socially maladjusted, D. All of this. Answer D. All of this. In knowing the history of drug taking of a person, the best information is taken from A. Trained psychologist, B. Doctors or physicians, C. Laboratory results, D. Patient himself. Answer D. Patient himself. When the drug dependent develops changes in the normal functioning of the brain that can be manifested in undesirable conditions, he suffers from mental invalid. Mental invalid in the context of drug abuse means A. Mental deterioration due to drug addiction, B. Loss of willpower to quit from drug use, C. Loss of contact with reality, D. Distortion of sensory perception. Answer A. Mental deterioration due to drug addiction. A drug abuser, because of his use of unsterilized paraphernalia, tends to develop low resistance and becomes susceptible to various infections such as A. Stomach cancer, B. Headaches and body pain, C. Communicable diseases, D. Loss of appetite. Answer C. Communicable diseases. Any private person who shall enter the dwelling of another against the will of the latter, A. Usurpation, B. Trespass to dwelling, C. Light threats, D. None of this. Answer B. Trespass to dwelling. Which of the following types of accident is most decreased by the installation of traffic light? A. Cross-traffic accidents, B. Misunderstanding between motorists and traffic officers, C. Accidents of confusion, D. Accidents of decision of right of way. Answer D. Accidents of decision of right of way. Is that which is not excluded by law as tending to prove a fact in issue? A. Material evidence, B. Relevant evidence, C. Direct evidence, D. Competent evidence. Answer B. Relevant evidence. The use of one or more electrical appliances or devices which draw or consume electrical current beyond the designed capacity of the existing electrical system. A. Self-closing door, B. Jumper, C. Overloading, D. Oxidizing material. Answer C. Overloading. The method of determining and finding the best way to remedy the specific cause or causes of the complaint or grievance refers to A. Investigation procedure, B. Cross-examination, C. Grievance procedure, D. Criminal procedure. Answer A. Investigation procedure. When people are considered as a source of information, the experienced police officer A. recognizes that persons from all walks of life represents potential investigative resources. B. develops his contacts only with law-abiding citizens. C. restricts his effort to members of the department. D. concentrates all his efforts to acquire informants only from criminal types. Answer: A. recognizes that persons from all walks of life represents potential investigative resources.